take account of varying flight profiles and environmental conditions, the factory has provided you with a baffle which fits into the engine cooling system. The baffle has lugs on the front and has a removable panel which can be cut off using a pair of scissors to adjust for your aircraft and your conditions. To fit the baffle, put it into the cooling system and slide it underneath the nut and bolt hinge system. Then clip the left and the right clip underneath the front of the cooling system, and it's now fitted.